Hi everyone, welcome to LMP Sparkles. Today I will be showing you how to glitter a mug dishwasher safe bought from Dollar Tree. It's easy and simple. You will need these items. Mug bought from the Dollar Tree. Dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Painter's tape bought also at the Dollar Tree. Glitter of your choice. Glitter of your choice that also comes from Dollar Tree. Paper for your glitter when it falls, so white paper, and a brush to add the Mod Podge. Also, you will need rubbing alcohol. What I do is usually with the rubbing alcohol, I usually take a Scott towel in order for me to remove any labels or anything on the mug. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button below so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Please comment below for your favorite color on a mug. Feel free to comment if there's any videos you want me to do, especially for my viewers, or to just ask a question. Okay, so first I'm going to take the Scott towels. Put a bit of rubbing alcohol in it, and I'm gonna wipe down the mug. What I usually do is I wait a few minutes. I wait a few minutes for the rubbing alcohol to dry up. Okay, so a rubbing alcohol. Everywhere. Okay, so now what I usually do is I wait a minute or two for it to dry. Then I get some painter's tape, and I put it where I want to limit. Okay, so then you limit where you want to put your glitter at, and you do the turn. And then you cut it. Make sure it's straight. And we make sure that it's nice and then now we're gonna add the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. This I know they have at Dollar Tree. However, I bought this one at Walmart. Amazon has it too. And you add a little layer. The handle I forgot to put, huh? Hold on. Do for the handle, I just cut a little piece and I go about. I try to get the bottom of it. See, it doesn't matter the top, it's more the bottom that is important because you want the thing to stop there. Et voilà. Okay. So now let's go with the Mod Podge. I usually put a good enough layer. And all this is like seriously lower than $5. Like less than $5 and you'll make a nice little mug for a gift to make for with your children. If they want to do it as a gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the gold glitter. Again, you can choose any color you want, but I go with gold. I usually keep a paper under so I can put back the glitter under. So as you can see, what I'm going to do now is apply the glitter. Don't be shy, put as much as you can.
Hi, Mama.
Okay.
But there's something at the door.
What I usually do is I wait a bit, make the Mod Podge dry, and then I re-put a bit of Mod Podge. Because there's some spots that are harder than others.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so as you can see, after a while, I waited. I'm gonna take more Mod Podge. And I'm gonna fill up the spots where I'm see that there's missing. You can't wait too long. The reason why is that by waiting too long, it actually having a hard time to remove the painter's tape. Painter's tape. Sorry. Here, then grab good. And here. With Mod Podge, you have to really like. I love Mod Podge. The only problem is that you really have to do it quick in order for you to have more flexibility. I put a lot of Mod Podge so I could stick better to the. Don't worry about the bottom because the bottom actually you could do it after. And you'll pour. I do this about 2 to 3 times of a cup in order for me to have everything covered. The tricky places are more on the handle. I try to put as much as I can on the handle, like you can see. worry about wasting a lot of glitter. It's because you can actually bend the paper after and put it back in your bottle. Okay, looks pretty decent now. There's enough amount. Even here, there's a bit, but that you can remove that with rubbing alcohol, or even baby wipes. You could just remove it. See? Sorry for the noise in the background. I have my kids playing outside. And here's the thing. So now we're gonna go and remove the painter's tape. Painter's tape. Pretty nice. See, it's pretty done. Like, just do it with your finger. Just make sure there's anything. And voila. Now, what I'm gonna do is wait maybe 15-20 minutes and seal the actual glitter, and then we're gonna come back. All right, won't be long. Okay, so welcome back. After waiting an hour, we will re-put some Mod Podge to seal the glitter. Just be careful when you're putting it that you're actually putting it on the glitter only, and a thin layer. Don't do it too thick. It looks white now, but it actually, when it dries, it actually becomes different. The glitter will show. The dishwasher safe Mod Podge is actually very good. However, it says it's safe to put in the dishwasher, but it's recommended to wait 28 days in order for to actually be able to do so. So what you can do is actually put it aside for 28 days. If not, I suggest advising not to put in dishwasher. It could be hand wash, but no dishwasher. What I do with baby wipes is basically I just go carefully around and just cleaning off. Feel free to use your nails if ever you want to like remove some harder glitter. But I love baby wipes. It's the best. My next video is gonna be a Father's Day gift, made from home and easy and simple, and not too expensive. That you can actually do with your kids or your grandkids. and so on. So have a good day and please keep watching. Bye.